everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if this is your first visit, and thank you so much for stopping by. Today I am participating in another challenge. This is the Spring DIY Challenge and it's hosted by Heidi Sounbul, and I will leave the link to her channel in the description box below. Please visit her channel. I can't tell you enough about her creations and her videos. You will find everything there. She is amazing. She's a very wonderful person, a great mom, and she shares her life, not just her creations but also her life with all of us, and I admire her a lot. So please visit her channel. I will also leave the link to the playlist with all the videos that are going to be entered in this challenge. And well, let's get into this. We are supposed to make piece of decor, an item, whatever we want, for spring. So I had this sign that is for Easter, as you can see. I got it in a grab bag from Michael's after Easter last year. And if you look here, the price, the original price was $20. I don't know how much I paid for this because me and my daughter bought 4 bags. We paid $16. You know, Michael's grab bags are $4 each, and we got a total of over $800 in items from those 4 bags. So this, I think this cost me less than $1, probably a few cents, because we got so many things in those grab bags. So I wanted to make a countdown calendar to spring, and I wanted to have one, and I couldn't find any one on online or in stores to buy. So I decided to make my own. So I took this sign, and this is what I made. First I stained the frame, because white on white, you know, everything was the same color. I didn't like it, so I used my beloved liquid shoe polish in brown this is from Family Dollar, because I couldn't find one when I went to Dollar Tree many months ago, because it lasts a long time. But you can find the same one at Dollar Tree, and it's really easy to use, and the result is wonderful. I tried it here, but you can see that how easily you can stain any piece of wood or whatever you want to stain, because it has multiple uses. So this is the first thing I did. Then I traced a line with a pencil around all the area that I needed to paint in black, and I didn't use chalk paint. I use acrylic paint, this one, and I have made some chalkboards before with this paint, and it works perfectly. You can write the number with chalk and erase it and nothing happens. So this is what I had at home. No need to buy some other specific chalk paint, because it works, it really works. I'm sorry, I have stain in my hand. So once I painted all this area, of course, as you remember, the sign was this way, but I decided I liked it better in a landscape orientation. Then, using the lid of a container, I traced a circle, and then just with my hand I made the petals of the flower, sorry, and I went all around with this marker. This is my favorite one, the Bistro chalk marker, and I'm just going to finish this area for you to see, but I think you don't need to see the whole process because it's really easy. I'm finishing this one. Okay, and I made little dots there. So here is where I'm going to write the numbers for the countdown calendar. Sorry. I'm going to go around the circle one more time because now you can see the difference in color. Then I, using a photo editor or whatever program you have, software you have, I wrote those words, these words, and I highly recommend to use vellum paper because it's much more easy than when you use regular white paper to see where you are positioning your words, letters, whatever you are going to transfer, so you can see exactly where they will go, and makes, at least for me, things easier. So once I printed them, I went in the back with a pencil and I transferred them to the sign, as you can see here. And then I fill in all the letters with the white marker. I'm going to end the letter E. So you can see that it's really easy. Okay. Now we have this part finished. So I was going to write the word spring here, but then I remembered I had this banner, oops, that I made last year, and I used it on a frame that has chicken wire in the back, but I thought it was really great for this sign. So you can do this easily because it's just using some scrapbooking paper and printing. I printed the backgrounds. I always scan all my papers, all of them. So I look at the ones I like the most. I printed them with these letters that I found on internet on top, and then I cut them and place them on top of the ute. My God, I can't find the word. Okay, you know, this thing. In the back, to give this kind of a 3D look, I used this self-adhesive foam or mounting foam rectangles. They are from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to adhere. I made a mark where I want to the extremes of the ute to the twine. That's what I was looking for. The extremes to go. So I'm going to adhere them with my glue gun, and then I'm going to adhere the. I think it's better if I do that first. goes here, this goes here. Okay, so now I can arrange the other letters where I want them to stay, so they won't move and they will look like they are in 3D. So this is something that takes patience. Okay. My God. Have to be careful because when I adhere it, I can't remove it. The adhesive is really strong. Okay. And now the P. So I have the word spring. The only thing I need to do now is, as I said, go around the circle again and start using it. Of course I have to remove this twine from here and add it here. Well, in fact, here, for this to be hung in this orientation. But this is mainly it. You don't need anything else. Just I'm going to adhere this here because it's moving. So let me place another little bit of hot glue for everything to stay in place. And here you have it, countdown calendar to spring, and in a few steps. It's really easy. I painted it with a foam brush from Dollar Tree also, and the thing that was harder was to transfer the letters and then fill them in with a white marker, because you have to be very careful. But other than that, it was just a matter of a few minutes. And again, you can make this banner very quickly with a photo editor or some software that you probably have in your computer. And if you don't have if you're not a scrapbooker and you don't have a scrapbooking paper scan, you can use images from internet and make the banner really quickly. Of course, if you don't have this sign from Michaels, you can use any other sign from Dollar Tree. They have beautiful signs that can be used exactly in the same way. And if you don't want to use a banner, you can just write spring here. You can use pieces of burlap, for example, and add stickers with the letters. That's another option. And that's a matter of, as I always say, letting your imagination fly. I hope you like this sign and this video. If so, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Ring the bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a video. And thank you so much to Heidi for hosting this awesome challenge. Don't forget to visit her channel again, the same mistake, and the playlist with all the videos. And thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next one. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.